In this video, I'll break down my top 5 baby strollers, my experiences, and which baby stroller I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked baby stroller. And at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best baby stroller and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the strollers, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have Graco Redmond Modes Pramette Stroller. The Graco Redmond Modes Pramette Stroller stands out for its versatility and convenience. It functions as a 3-in-1 stroller, transitioning from an infant car seat carrier to an infant Pramette, and finally to a toddler stroller. This adaptability makes it suitable for children from birth up to 50 pounds. The reversible seat allows the baby to face either the parent or the world, providing flexibility as the child grows. The stroller features a one-hand fold mechanism, making it easy to store and transport. It also includes a large storage basket, a parent tray with cup and phone holders, and a removable child's tray with cup holders, ensuring convenience during outings. The multi-position recline and adjustable footrest offer maximum comfort for the child, while the large canopy with UV 50+ protection shields them from the sun. At number 4, we have the Evenflo Gold Otto Self-Folding Stroller. The Evenflo Gold Otto Self-Folding Stroller is a standout for its one-hand automatic folding feature, making it incredibly convenient for busy parents. This lightweight travel stroller supports children up to 55 pounds and offers a smooth ride thanks to its front suspension system. Its compatibility with Evenflo infant car seats adds to its versatility, allowing seamless transitions from car to stroller. The Otto also features a 2-panel canopy with an oversized peekaboo window, ensuring your child is protected from the elements while you keep an eye on them. Additionally, the stroller's bumper bar doubles as a carry handle when folded, making it easy to transport. At number 3, we have the Safety First Easy Fold Compact Stroller. The Safety First Easy Fold Compact Stroller is impressively lightweight at under 17 pounds, making it ideal for travel and everyday use. Its ultra-compact one-hand fold allows for easy storage and transportation, even standing on its own when folded. The stroller features a generous canopy with a flip-out visor, providing excellent sun protection by blocking over 96% of UVA and UVB rays. A peekaboo window allows for easy check-ins on the child. The large, easy-access storage basket and covered pocket near the handlebar offer ample space for essentials. An extra-large parent cup holder adds convenience. The stroller is suitable for children up to 50 pounds and meets Disney park size requirements. With its removable carry strap, flip-flop friendly brake, and mesh-lined peekaboo window for enhanced airflow, this stroller combines practicality with comfort for both parent and child. At number 2, we have the Graco Premier Modes Luxe Stroller. The Graco Premier Modes Luxe Stroller offers exceptional versatility with its 3-in-1 design, making it an excellent choice for growing families. As an infant car seat carrier, infant carry cot, and toddler stroller, it adapts to your child's needs from birth through toddlerhood. One of the standout features is the reversible seat, which can face the parent or the world, allowing for optimal interaction and exploration. The stroller's adjustable calf support ensures comfort for growing children, while the height-adjustable vegan leather handle provides a comfortable grip for parents of different heights. I appreciate the large expandable canopy, which offers excellent sun protection for the child. The one-hand compact fold is a game-changer, allowing for easy storage and transportation whether the seat is rear or forward-facing. The all-terrain tires ensure a smooth ride on various surfaces, making outings more enjoyable. With a weight capacity of up to 50 pounds, this stroller offers years of use. The multi-position reclining seat adds to the child's comfort, allowing for naps on the go. Additional features like the parent cup holder and in-seat suspension further enhance the stroller's functionality. At number 1, we have the Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System. The Safety First Smooth Ride Travel System offers exceptional convenience and versatility for parents on the go. I found the quick-click technology particularly impressive, allowing me to securely attach the included onboard 35LT infant car seat to the stroller with just one click. This seamless transition from car to stroller is a major time saver. The stroller itself is lightweight and easy to maneuver, with agile wheels that navigate corners smoothly. The flip-flop friendly brakes are a thoughtful touch, making it simple to park the stroller securely. I appreciate the oversized canopy with a flip-out visor, which provides ample protection from the sun and elements. The onboard 35 LT infant car seat is designed with safety in mind, featuring side impact protection and a 5-point harness. It accommodates infants from 4 to 35 pounds, ensuring a proper fit as the baby grows. The stroller seat can be used for children up to 50 pounds, extending the system's usability well into the toddler years. Storage is plentiful, with a large basket underneath and convenient trays for both parent and child. The one-hand fold mechanism is a standout feature, making it easy to collapse the stroller for storage or transport. When folded, it stands upright on its own, which is incredibly practical. So that sums up my top 5 baby strollers. I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.